In this video, I'll show you how you can scrap or download all comments on any YouTube video into the Google spreadsheet in just few seconds. For that, I have written a code and I'll tell you that how you can use that code with Google Sheet. I have selected this YouTube video having 5516 comments and we will scrap all of those. Firstly, you should know that this count includes the comments and the replies on those comments. I'll share with you two codes. The first will scrap the comments without replies and second code will scrap comments with replies as well. So let's go to sheets.google and create a blank sheet. Now from the video URL, you have to copy video ID, which is this part after v equal to. Sometime video URLs have starting time info, for example here as t equal to 100, and sometimes there is info of the playlist if the video is being played from a playlist. But you have to copy just the video ID without any starting time or playlist part. Paste the ID in the first cell of the sheet. And now to add script to this sheet, we will go to Tools and Script Editor. If you see this kind of error window, it means that you were using Sheet with some other account previously and now are using a different account. In that case, you need to sign out from all your accounts and re-log in with the one you want to proceed. And you will get this window for writing the code. I'll copy the first code to scrap just the comments without replies from my GitHub repository and the link is given in the description. I'll replace this code with my code. Hit Ctrl+S to save it and it asks for the name we want to save this project with. Name it anything like YouTube comments and project is saved. The code uses YouTube API and we need to turn on Google services for this API from the Resources tab. You might get this window if you haven't previously used Google services. You just need to accept the terms of Google services. And now open Google services again and search for YouTube Data API and turn that on. Now we can run this code. It will ask for the permission at the first time. On this safety warning, if you go to advanced option, you can see it says go to YouTube comments, which is the name of our project. So just click that and allow the access to the project. And now code is running. Note that these are the steps you need to do just once and later on you can paste any video ID in the spreadsheet first cell and simply run the code. This generated an error could not connect to server. If this happens, you just need to rerun the code. It will take a few seconds, which I will fast forward here. The code executed successfully and now if you check the Google Sheet, we can see a new sheet added having all the comments. It contains name of the person, comment, time, number of likes and reply count to that comment. Let's verify that first comment is by Raza Mahmood. And if we go to the video, we should first sort the comments as newest first and see that the first comment is by Raza Mahmood as heavy and it should be the same on Google Sheet. The second comment is by Rai Rashid having 1 like. You can see 1 like on this comment. To see if it has correctly scrapped all comments, we need to load the page till the last comment and that can be very time consuming. But I did that earlier and saved the screenshot of the oldest comments on this video, which you can see here. The oldest comment is by Wasim Ali 1 year ago with 5 likes. So if we check the last entry of the sheet, you can see it is Wasim Ali with correct comment and 5 likes. Let's see the total number of comments and this is row number 3589. The total comments indicated on the video were 5516. The difference is because this code doesn't scrap the replies and for that we will see the second code in a while. But we have reply count, so we can verify by adding all reply counts. And they are 1928. So if we add into this the number of comments scrapped by the code, which is 3588, I will not use 89 because the first row of the sheet is the header and not the comment, and you will see that it is 5516, which is the same number as on the YouTube video. Let me show you exact time taken by the code to scrap these more than 3500 comments. For that, we can go to script.google.com. You will see the created project. Click that, and from the right side, go to executions. This shows two executions. The older is the one where server could not be connected, and the first is our previous execution. And that took only 25.721 seconds to scrap more than 3500 comments. Now let's move to the second code where we will also scrap the replies of the comments. But before that, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel as I need your support to grow my channel, and also like the video. Okay, so to create a second script, we will go to File, New and Script File. Name it anything like Code2 and copy this second code from my GitHub repository. The link is given in the description. The other settings are already done in the first part, so now we just need to run the code. I'll fast forward till the execution is completed. Let's see the spreadsheet. We cannot see a new sheet here, but don't worry, just wait for a while because sheet has much data, and if we refresh the URL after a few seconds, you can see the new sheet is loaded. In the top row after reply count, now we also have columns for reply author name, the reply, and the timestamp of the reply published and updated. You can see different replies are there. And the last row number is 5517. And if we exclude the top row, the total entries are 5516, which we were looking for. Let's just verify one comment with many replies. And we have this comment with 125 replies. This comment is by Pankaj Dogra. So let's search that in our sheet. And here we get this with 125 replies. The likes are 2618, and if we see that on YouTube, it shows 2.6k likes. Let's see if all 125 replies are loaded. And you can see the count is correctly as 125. Please note that video ID is needed to be placed on the first cell of the first sheet every time. And when you run the code, it will create a new sheet with the comments and replies. So if you need to get the comments for another video, for example, this video has 723 comments. For that, I'll copy the video ID, paste it inside the first cell, and will run the code. The code will keep the previously scrapped comments sheets there and will add a new sheet for this new video at the end of the spreadsheet. You can see all 723 comments are scrapped correctly. The final point is that if you will run these codes for a video having comments in millions, this might fail. The reason is that there is a timeout limit for any Google Sheet script, which is 6 minutes or 360 seconds. So if code doesn't complete in 360 seconds, it will get cancelled. But we saw that more than 3500 comments in the first part of this video just took 25 seconds. and the time limit of 360 seconds is around 15 times higher than that. So in most of the cases, these codes will work even if total comments are many thousands, but if the comments are in millions, then these codes might fail because of the timeout constraint. So I hope you liked the video. Stay connected for more such content. Thank you very much.